Shandong Yuantong Century Intelligent Technology Company Limited was originally founded in 1996 with registered trademarks Bao Yuan Tong and BYT. The company has more than 30 patents for invention, utility model, and design. Now our main machines include membrane vacuum press machine, vacuum forming thermoforming machine, CNC router, laser cutting machine, channel letter bending machine. Our products are widely used in outdoor and indoor decoration, advertising sign making, furniture making, ship construction, solid surface, and plastic fabrication field. All of our products have obtained the Europe CE certification, and the products are widely exported to over 150 countries and regions, including the North America, Europe, South America, the Middle East, Asia, and service more than 2,000 customers